This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials so the rest works. First, confirm your network type and speed. Slow Wi-Fi causes dropouts, so switch to wired if possible. Once signed in, make sure you use the right account and completed any multi-factor prompts, because authentication blocks features. If the desktop app behaves oddly, open the web app in an incognito window to isolate profile or cache issues. This separates local app problems from cloud-side problems and lets you continue working immediately. Now isolate and reset components so you can pinpoint the fault. Clear the team's cache by closing the app and removing the specific app data cache folders. This resolves corrupted local files. Next, verify your device settings. Set the correct microphone and speaker, update drivers, and make sure privacy permissions allow teams to use devices. Finally, test the network path, run a traceroute, temporarily disable VPN or proxy, and try a mobile hotspot to determine if the issue is. To finish, perform advanced fixes that resolve stubborn failures. Reinstall Teams properly, uninstall, remove leftover application folders, and then install the latest build to ensure clean binaries. If problems persist, check admin-level settings, tenant policies, conditional access, and the Microsoft 365 service status can block features. If you still see errors, collect logs using F12 or the app log locations. Note timestamps and error messages, and escalate to IT or Microsoft support with those artifacts. Having precise log speeds resolution dramatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.